Swiss watchmaking tradition and soul of classic automobiles brought together brings you a fantastic timepiece design. Atelier Jalaper. The AJ001S steel dial made out of actual metal used from the vintage Aston Martin DB5 bonnet or hood. Yeah, the James Bond car. The AJP400 is built from the vintage metal from the Lamborghini Miura of the 1960s. Speedometer designs from the dials to the handsets. The AJP400 released in 4 colorways of the actual vintage car releases of the 60s. Assembled in Chaux de Fonds, Switzerland by Stefan Muller, both available with handmade leather straps from France. I spent a short time with these pieces, but the overall feel was great. AtelierJalaper.com